How to fix keyboard not typing in Windows 10 or 11 PC or laptop. So if you want to fix your keyboard not typing in Windows 10 or 11 PC or laptop, then what you need to do is first you need to right click on your Windows, and here you need to go with the device manager section. Once you're on the device manager, you'll have your keyboard option. So go with keyboard, enlarge the keyboard, select your keyboard, right click on it, and you'll need to go with uninstall device. Click on uninstall device. After uninstalling, it will ask you if you really want to uninstall. Just click on uninstall and it will ask you to restart your PC or your laptop. Once you've restarted, then it will automatically install your keyboard drivers. You don't need to install it again. So you just need something to go with uninstall, restart, and it will install automatically. After restarting, you just need simply right click on your Windows and then go with device manager. Under that, if you go with your keyboards, it will automatically install your driver and your problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.